Kachi coming your way. We're going to have fun with selling time today. Okay, before we go over to what we have today, I want to refresh our memory. I want to remind us some things we need to know before we go over to what we have. Now, let's take this. We know what time is. Good. Last time we learned about o'clock, quarter to, and quarter past. We also learned about half past. Now I want to just remind us about the minute hand and then the hour hand. I told us that the longer hand is always what? The minute hand. And then the shorter hand is what? The hour hand. Did we get that? Good. Now look at this. Look at this diagram. What time is it now? Can you tell me? Okay. The time here is 3 o'clock. Remember, when the long hand, being the minute hand, is at 12, we say that it's o'clock. So here is 3 o'clock. Now, when the long hand is at 6 and the minute hand is at 3, we say that it is what? 3:30 or half past 3. Did you get that? Oh, we also have quarter to and quarter past. Quarter to is when the long hand is at 9 and quarter past is when the long hand is at 3. Okay, now let's go over to what we have today. Now we're going to learn about telling time in minutes to and minutes past. Minutes to means that there are still some minutes to an hour. Probably it's not yet 4 o'clock. There are still some minutes to 4. So let's see how to say that. Now, in minutes to, it always comes when the long hand is on the left hand side of the clock. On the left hand side of the clock. So whenever the long hand or the minute hand is on the left side of the clock, you say that it is minutes to an hour. Did you get that? Now look at this. Remember, these numbers you are seeing inside this clock are for hours. The ones we see outside are minutes. So when you see 7, don't say 7 minutes. No, it's for hour. Once you see the long hand pointing, look for the minutes. 7 is 25, 8 is 20, 9 is 15 minutes, 10 is 10 minutes, 11 is 5 minutes. Now let's take it. When the long hand is at 7 and the short hand is moving towards 5, not exactly on 5, we say that the time is what? 25 minutes to the hour of 5. Did you get that? 25 minutes to the hour of 5. Good. Now, let's go to the second example. Here, the long hand is at 11 and the short hand is at 8. Remember, not exactly on 8. Now, look at this. The time here is what? Can someone try it out? Okay, let me help you. The time here is what? When it's at 11, it is 5 minutes. So the time here is 5 minutes to the hour of 8. Did you get that? 5 minutes to the hour of 8. So that is it about minutes to. We still have some examples, but that will be later. Now let's go over to minutes past. Minutes past means that there are some minutes past an hour. Now, it is no longer o'clock. It is no longer, the minute hand is no longer standing at 12. It has moved a little bit away, and even the hour hand is not at a particular what? Hour. It is also what? Drifting away, showing you that it has passed that hour o'clock. Did you get that? Good. Now look at this now. Unlike the minutes to, the minutes past can go round the face of the clock, starting from 1, which is 5 minutes, 2, 10 minutes, 3, 15 minutes, 4, 20 minutes, and so on until you get to 11, which is what? 55 minutes. Please take a look at this very well and study it very well. Now look at this. When it's at 4, it is 20 minutes and not 4 minutes. The hour hand is taking the ones inside. Remember that. Now the time here is not 5 minutes to 4. No. The minute hand should guide us. 5 minutes past 4. No. The minute hand should guide us. Always note this. Now the time here is 20 minutes past the hour of what? 1. Did you get that? 20 minutes past the hour of what? 1. 1, hour hand, minute hand. Always have that in mind. Good. Now look at this one. The long hand is at 8. I didn't put the minute. I want you to brainstorm and know what 8 is. Now the hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 8. What time is it? Okay, I will help you. Now here is 30. Okay, let me count from here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So the time here is what? 40 minutes past the hour of what? The hour of 5. So we can also write this as what? 5:40. And we can write this as what? 1:20. Did you get that? Is there anything that is confusing here? Okay. We've come to the end of our class today. If there's any question you have, don't hesitate to ask Ms. Onyekachi. I'll be sending in our classwork. Do stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.